Hi guys, and welcome back to another. Did you record?
Yeah.
I think that. leave it there, because I think that spoon was hot, you know, and I for some reason. I forgot, but anyway, let me put it there. Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I was coming real fast like that because I put some oil here, right guys? I'm gonna make locrio. And it got a little bit too hot, so I turned it off because I gotta put sugar. And I'm gonna make locrio. You guys are gonna lick your fingers. This is gonna be sensational. So, hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. Behind the camera is Michael. And there's Teddy and Ginger. That was just a little piece because that's how we are here, like a little bit crazy in this house. But that was something that happened. And Michael started recording, so I told him, you know what, just leave it.
What's going on
so
here?
I'm making a locrio, Michael. So my locrio right now, I'm going to put that on high, back up, and I'm going to put the fan on. This is my chicken here, and I put salt, pepper, oregano, you know, a little bit of cumin. I haven't put that adobo, but there it is, in the rice. And then I got my caldero here with oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lower the fire. We're going to put sugar.
Sugar rap, sugar rap.
We want the sugar to burn, and as soon as the sugar burns, that it starts getting brown, what we're gonna do is, hold on Michael, let me get that spoon. You see, this is the oil, guys. Huh? It was a little bit too much. I thought I had, so I was trying to take it out. And when Michael went on with the camera, it kind of like recorded that, and I didn't want to, you know, pause it.
But you know we're real here at Cindy's Kitchen.
That was the funniest thing anyways.
Oh yeah.
So here you go, guys. You see how the sugar is getting brown?
Brown it up, brown it up.
I want it to get a little bit more brown. Let me move it around.
All right.
You can be careful, Michael. You need to like back up a little bit.
Don't worry, Mom. I'm a professional.
I don't want you to get burned or anything
Hey,
like
Teddy.
that. Okay. So this is my chicken, and like I told you guys, it's seasoned with salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano, cumin, and adobo. Those are the seasonings back there. And here they are, and 1 clove of garlic that I chop in there, and those green things that you see there, that's green pepper, 1 jalapeno, and 2 slices of red onion cut up. So back up, Michael. I'm gonna be
backing up.
See that? It's gonna get brown real quick.
Wow, that, Mama, that is artwork. Hit that like button right now if this already looks good.
Water in here. Come here, Mike.
All right.
Because. And then I'm going to put the other spoon, this one. Woo! Okay, and together we're going to bring this to brown.
Happy early Thanksgiving.
Start turning.
Yes.
What it is, the sugar along with the oil.
Turn it on, turn it on.
The chicken. Okay, I have it on high, and this chicken is very thick. So, we just want to like, as soon as it gets color on the other side, and I think it's time, I'm going to be filling that with this little water that I have here. Hold on a second. Did I get any tomato sauce? Yep. I got 1 little can of tomato sauce here because it is going to be required in the locrio. That is on high, as you can see, Michael, from over there.
Zooming in, zooming in.
Yep, just like that. So, okay, so what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to put that tomato sauce. It's just basic tomato sauce. The supermarket brand, 25 cents. I get 4 for $1, and that's the way
Beautiful.
I always try to save that at $1. As you can see, this is the sugar that kind of like got stuck.
Caramelized.
Exactly. See that?
Oh yeah.
It's actually caramelizing those pieces like that and making sure that they all get nice and coated.
And juicy.
With the brown, you want that coating. Because what I'm going to do right now is, see, it is getting there, right?
Beautiful.
Little by little. See? If I would have a stove that is like a gas stove.
Yeah, this is electric, guys.
Like a professional gas stove, I'm going to tell you, this would have been almost halfway done. Because they cook faster, you know? Okay, so here we go, guys. Here's that can of tomato sauce, and I put like 1 cup of water, okay? And I put it in there. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to take a little bit of apple cider vinegar. You see it here?
Oh yeah.
And you see that this spoon, I'm going to fill it up. Okay, and I'm gonna throw it in there in that water. Now I'm gonna take this water and we're gonna put it in here.
Ooh, very nice.
Like that, yep. I'll put it in there. I need a little bit more.
Delicious.
I'm gonna put rice in there.
That's a nice broth right there, Mama.
Huh?
That's a nice broth.
It is pretty, right?
Oh yeah.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 1 chicken bullion in there. Can you get that? Here they are. How you holding up there, Mike?
Oh, I'm good right now. Right, Ginger? Come here, Ginger.
Try to get me a chicken bullion. Here's one. Oh, I got one. Here's one. See it here.
All right, chicken bouillon.
Oh, no. This is not chicken.
Oh, is that shrimp?
Oh, that was beef.
Oh.
Okay, I got the pollo here. Here's the pollo, guys. See, and this is something very simple that you can make, like if you have a family of 4, 6, 3, you know, even 1. You can make this and just serve everybody. You can make a little salad on the side to serve it with, so it's not that exactly. So as soon as this starts boiling, I am going to drop this rice. This is 3 cups of rice. I already rinsed it off over there, so I have it ready to go. So that's the rest of that water that I took. Let's put that there. Throw this out. Get over here, Michael. And now my best part is the tasting. I love the tasting because I'm always hungry. Oh, am I always hungry, Mike?
Oh yeah.
That's good. That's good. Now, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of my adobo Goya, because adobo has everything. You got the salt, you got the pepper, you got the oregano, you got the cumin, you got everything for your locrio.
That's right.
You're gonna put a little bit in there like this. Bam!
Put it in,
Bam,
put it
like
in.
that. Yep. And you already have your chicken bullion in there. And you see how that's going? Yep. So what are we gonna do now, Michael? We're gonna start putting that rice in.
Right in there, guys.
Now the lid for this pan, for some reason, and then you take your hand for the rest of the rice, and with your hand you can go like this, all around, pack it all together.
That's right, no waste, guys, no waste.
And then, you know, even the last grain, you know, every penny counts. Trust me. Now I'm gonna keep this here with me because, what do you think we make it? Oh, I put a jalapeno in there.
Oh yeah.
So that should be real hot. Now this has to dry out.
All right.
Now before it dries out, what we're gonna do here together with you guys,
It's starting to bubble.
I'm gonna put this cilantro. Come here, Mike.
Bubbling,
Yeah, but back up. Okay, you know that's good. That jumps really high.
Oh, okay.
And then if some of that water from that rice jumps on you, what it's gonna do? You're gonna get burnt, and then I'm gonna have to hear it, Mike.
Yeah, that's true. Ginger,
So
come.
here's my cilantro. So with my hands, I'm just gonna turn. See? Here are the things. I just want the leaves because this is gonna give it a smell and a taste. There's a lot of people that put it at the end. I don't. I like putting it because, like this, because I don't take it out. A lot of people put it in and then they pull it out. I don't take it out.
It's more fresh to pull it from the stem.
You have to have your herbs and eat whatever you put in there. Your onions and the little bit of garlic and your spices.
You need all that.
Taste it. It flavors
Be delicious.
the food to an extent.
I think a lot of people don't season enough.
Yeah, exactly. No, they don't.
That's the problem with a lot of people.
So what we're gonna do now? I'm gonna take some of the water,
That's right,
the liquid. Come here, and I'm gonna start because what I want it to dry fast so I can cover it so we can do this together. And then I'm gonna let you guys go. So I'm not gonna let you guys go not until I cover this. Okay?
Okay.
This is why I'm doing this.
That's right.
Then we're gonna cook it after I cover it for 20 minutes.
All right.
Because now 5 minutes, this is a lot of rice.
It's like simmer.
And we're gonna put the temperature. You see how I have it on high?
Yes.
So you can show. I'm gonna be
Zooming
putting it
in,
like
zooming
on 3. It's gonna be on 3, so that's gonna be on like high-low.
So for 20 minutes.
High-low.
On
for
3.
20 minutes, and then I'm gonna
basically a low medium.
Then I'm gonna turn it and let it cook for another 5 minutes on the other side.
All right.
To make sure that the bottom you understand that the rice that was on the top
is cooked
has
throughout.
a chance to cook. Which only you're gonna need like 5 minutes because with the heat of all of it, you see how it's drying back up, Michael?
Oh yeah.
If this starts jumping, and what happens
that's
is...
beautiful.
It is, right?
Beautiful, beautiful.
And then I can feed you and your brother and
Well,
your
I'm not
dad.
gonna eat right now. You know how I am.
I'll feed the 3 men of my house. They can eat from there. Even the puppies, I'll give them the little treat later.
Yay!
Like, because I only cook kind of like chicken breast. You know, nobody really likes the dark meat here except for me.
That's right.
You know, I love my chicken legs.
Well, that's the healthiest meat.
Yeah, well, that's how I grew up. You know, my mom and dad, they weren't rich to be buying no chicken breast all the time. We didn't rich here. The only thing is, now they have different kinds of chicken breasts that you can buy at the supermarket.
Yep, square chicken breast.
They have different prices.
Circle.
So, you know, I think I do. Okay, so now I'm going to lower this, guys, all the way to 3. Okay?
For 20 minutes.
And now what I'm going to do, let me get my foil paper because I got to cover the top with this lid. As you can see, it doesn't cover, see, all the way, and the vapor is going to come out. So I need that vapor to stay inside. Hold on. I got my foil paper right there, people. So anyways, how's that shopping doing? How is it coming along with Thanksgiving? Is right upon us. I'm going to be making a turkey breast. So I'm going to marinate it tomorrow in season. I'm going to record that. And I'm going to record a lot of stuff that I'm going to be making for Thanksgiving. And on Thanksgiving Day, we're going to record me putting all the stuff that I made. Right, Mike?
That's right.
Except for the potato salad, we'll make it together.
And we have
let me cover this. You can keep on talking here.
we have new times. We'll be posting. We have been for like a while now. Like I think 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
You know, the last time we posted was like a week ago, Michael.
No. For like a month. We have new times. 11 p.m. Central Time.
All
4
the
p.m.
videos.
Central
Michael
Time,
takes care of that. So
and,
tell people that, Mike.
And 9 p.m. Central Time, everybody. So don't forget. Okay. Those are the upload times.
So then what you do, you say, so me, guys.
The video goes live.
Put the, if you have a pot like this or any other material and it doesn't like close tight for you to cook certain things, what you can do, you can put foil paper like this, see, on the top. And then you can put the lid right on the top, right? And you're gonna push it. And then you don't wanna get burned, just make sure that the sides are real tight. Nothing is gonna be coming out of there, you know? And let's cook that for 20 minutes, and in 20 minutes, we're gonna come back. I'm gonna open that. I'm gonna turn it. No, I'm not gonna come back. When you see me again, it's gonna be done. So after I leave, I will be turning this. You'll see, I'll make a little video of me turning the rice to the other side, so the other side can cook for the 5 minutes that I said, right? And then when we come back, it will be done. I'm gonna put some in a bowl. Michael's gonna have some, and my husband and my son. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to come back and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys, not 20. So, okay, I'm gonna take this foil paper carefully, remove it, and see, it looks a little dry on the top, but that doesn't mean that right. That's why we're moving it.
It's not cooked yet.
Exactly, but it will now. So what I'm gonna do? Hold on a second. Remember before, guys, when I was taking the water out a little bit, right? So what I'm gonna do is, here it is. Just gonna put a little bit of that water like that. Yeah. Put it back in if you need it. If you don't need it, you don't have to. Okay? And then I'm going to take a little bit of that same oil. We're going to close this. And we're going to be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. Before we show Ginger's Halloween outfit that she has from there. Come here, Ginger. Look, everybody's Ginger's Halloween outfit, huh? Nice. Yeah, I touched my dog, you know, you see, but she's clean because everything in my house is clean. So anyway, here we're back with the Locrio, guys. Hopefully it's done, right? And while they was cooking for the last 10 minutes, what I did was I made some plátanos to go with this. This is beautiful. Okay, Michael, you gotta move and go back there. Move and go back there. So I want to show everyone. This is what I want to do. Okay? I want to show everyone, see? Comes out very nice and grainy. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And your chicken is nice and tender. So I'm going to serve some. Excuse me, my son. Right here. And you guys know this one is for my husband. I know he came down a little bit ago to see what was up with dinner, and I'm like, oh, babe, sorry. I'm making some locrio. I know you like it, and I'm going to be serving you that. Hold on a second. There you go. I just want to make it very pretty. This is how the locrio... You want to taste a little spoon, Mike? You tell Mama how it is?
No, I'm not hungry.
But just a little thing, come on. Okay, well, he doesn't want to, but later, you know, I'll have him and he'll put a little video on, right, Michael?
Yeah.
Him tasting it, so that's what it's going to look like, guys. So if you guys want to go ahead, and these are my plátanos that I made. These are the sweet ones. If you guys want to go ahead and share it or copy it, you know, try to make it yourself. Tell me what you give me your thoughts, what you think. And with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, on Tumblr. Wow, I remember, huh, Mike? And everywhere that you see us. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Love you all. Don't drink and drive. You know what to do. Take care of each other. Let's love each other. And thanks for watching another great episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I thought this was great, this episode. I enjoyed it. I'm going to enjoy the smell. I'm going to eat some plátanos and maybe a little bit of that chicken on the side. But with that, love you all. Have a great night.